Hi, I'm Jennifer Ampulski, Travelers Life Sciences Practice Lead, with a video series designed to help guide pharma companies like yours transition from clinical trials to commercialization. As an early-stage pharma company, you've been focusing on research and development, clinical trials, and foundational science. Then you get FDA approval. Congratulations, and the journey begins. As you scale drug production, things can change. While it's an exciting stage, it comes with risks. So what type of liabilities might you encounter on the road ahead? Without proper risk transfer practices, if you scale up manufacturing with an outside vendor who has production error, and that causes injury to a patient, you could be the sole responsible party. But expanding your own production with unvetted suppliers can be just as risky if shipments are unreliable. Also, without proper controls, adding more employees for production potentially increases workers' compensation claims, such as those related to repetitive motion injuries and exposure to toxic substances. Or, what if your product's supplies or materials becomes damaged or contaminated? Substandard quality control or storage conditions can lead to a devastating loss. Travelers has a range of capabilities for pharma companies as you take on this exciting journey. Our dedicated life sciences claim professionals understand the challenges of product liability, contractual risk transfer, and more. And we're with you every step of the way. To learn more about Travelers' capabilities for life sciences, talk to your independent agent or visit travelers.com/lifesciences.